Almost there, puppy. It's snowing outside. Fits right in. Go, bro, stop recording. Alright, update on Odyssey's pregnancy. She's in labor right now. She's sleeping. Our water break at 9:40 p.m. We got checked in at 10:40 p.m. and now is 12 o'clock afternoon. Baby's heartbeat. There is the contraction. Up and down, up and down. 7 a.m. she is 3 cm dilated with epidural anesthesia. She has IV of oxytocin to help her. The update. Probably she'll give birth at afternoon or evening here, February 1, or maybe early morning at February 2, 2020. I have no sleep. What's up, Mama? Are you okay, Mama? Hi. Alright, so Rosieniael, we're waiting for you.
Today it's currently 3:57 p.m. on February 1st, 2020, and she is currently 7 cm dilated.
Alright, I'm gonna go last. What do they call it, 9.5?
She said, yeah.
Yeah, I
So
would
it's
say
less than
8.
that?
I would say 8.
8? Okay.
Yeah, not quite 9.5.
Not yet. Okay, perfect. So we can call her up a little bit, flip her side to side.
Here, Joey. Of course. Oh yeah?
Just above the plastic there. It's kind of rubbery.
That was the second count, then.
Nicely done.
Oh my gosh.
And that doesn't hurt her a bit.
Okay. Oh. You're just looking beautiful. That's mommy, Rosie. That's mommy. It's okay.
Those are happy tears.
Yeah. She has a lot of hair.
Hello, everyone. Say hi. So today we're here with Rosie, Naya.
Yeah, Rosie is born at February 2, 2020. 12 o'clock.
At 12? Agad. Wow. Say hi, baby. No, I'm far away. Oh my gosh, her tongue is so long.
She's trying to like
You want to
practice.
suck your dede? No? You want dede? Please don't cry. I can't pick you up yet.
That's going to stimulate your colostrum and your milk to come. Are you hurting?
No.
I know.
Look at
One more and you're done, brah.
Okay, don't worry. It's for your own good.
All finished.
Okay, all done. All done. All done. All done.
Oh, you're a quick crier. That's it. She's smiling.
Support the head.
I know. Okay, dimple. Sleep. Sleeping child.
But in the day,
You just did it one ago. That's good then.
I'm so happy for you.
I know.
Thank
For you
you.
guys, finally. No, we need more.
Just sleep in
You
my
have
It's like no.
Can you do a boy?
Yes,
I can already predict this one. If the next one is a girl, because her boobs have slit.
That's it's like
That's how
a
you can
superstitious
tell.
belief.
No, you never know.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when nights are gray. I'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
It's not what you say, it's what you do that makes me want to move. Dancing in the street with no tunes, coming back to my roots. Drink my smoothie while I'm playing.
And Daddy behind. We're going home. It's Feb 4 at 11, I believe. No, 10:30.
Singing like, got my heart singing like, ooh, I don't wanna wait any longer to live today.
Right, we're at the car right now. We're officially discharged to the hospital. We're still waiting for this thing to get out because it's just blocking. And it's snowing here in Washington. Usually first week of February is snow, and this is it. I don't think so it will get worse snow, but yeah, this is it, guys.
To live today, and I know I will get stronger every day.
Anyway, I hope you see this video in 15 years probably. Alright. This is your dad signing off.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.